U.S.B My Nation channel. Hello, welcome. This is U.S.B My Nation channel where we talk about social, faith, and politics. As you all know, something special went on in Biafra Nation today in the state of Abia, and our DPM tweeted something about it, and that is exactly what I want to read. But before I read this very tweet of our national mother, I want to sing a very brief song in Igbo, and that song is saying, call a spade a spade. Okay, it say, kpọọ ihe ọjọọ, ihe ọjọọ, kpọọ ihe ọjọọ, ihe ọjọọ, kpọọ ihe ọjọọ, ihe ọjọọ, akpọla ezi omume ihe ọjọọ. Do not call something good to be bad. Don't take something good to be bad. But when you see bad thing, spell it out so that evil will stop. And that is exactly what our DPM tweet I want to discuss briefly is talking about. So come along with me, and remember, if you have not subscribed to our channel, U.S.B My Nation channel, please do subscribe. And for those that have subscribed, I say thank you so much. May God also plant and increase your own farm. Whatever that is your heart desire, may Chukwu Okike Abia give it to you. So far, that thing is good. And it will progress you and progress his children around you. So now, I want to read the tweets of our national mother, the DPM, on the events that took place in Abia today. Then I will make my own comments. Remember, when you subscribe, do put on your notification bell, bring your like this video so that YouTube algorithm will send it to light minds that will like what we are doing like you. Also bring your comments, because through your comments, the video is completed. Thank you so much. Let's go there. So, he said, press release today. Nigeria State's delegitimized governor, Oti, uses live bullets on innocent Biafran protesters. Nigeria President Tinubu delegitimized Governor Oti Mba Soludo Uzodimma Francis ordered the shooting of an innocent Biafran who was peacefully marching today in the state of Abia for the release of our leader, Mazi Namdi Kanu. Watch video. The video is here. I'm not going to show you the video because many of you have heard the video. I just want to make our own channel reaction on this very tweet. Other Biafrans were also arrested by the terrorist states of Nigeria military and police. Note that arrested by the terrorist states of Nigeria military and police, and we are talking about the state of Abia. This was why our leader and the United States of Biafra government have supported and passed into law the voluntary Monday sit at home as our own safe form of protest against the terrorist states of Nigeria. The voluntary Monday sit at home continues in the whole Biafra territory until those 4 conditions are met. So, our DPM now published the video, which I'm not going to show here because there is BLOOD in it, and you know that the landlord of this very place that we dish out information, they said it's against their rule because they know what they are hiding from there. Now, this is happening in Abia State, and we know the governor of former Abia State is Governor Oti. I want to say something. You know, our people is good. When somebody do good thing, you praise that person. And when that person does it wrong, you also let the person know. This video, what happened to in Abia today, have shown us that Oti is not for Biafra. And that is what we will keep telling our people. Yes, Oti is doing a good job in Abia State, old Abia State. We give it to him. That's who we are. We call a spade a spade. But Oti is not doing that good job because he is supporting Biafra. These are two different things that I always wanted our people to know. I always say, when they praise him, I always say, when we finish our independence, completed it, Oti, with the work he is doing in Aba, he will now come and let us know if he wants to be one of Biafran politicians. And Biafrans will check his works before and after. Then we will know if we will accept him as one of the politicians based on what he is doing currently in the state of Abia State. I say this because, remember, there was a time the villagers of Mazi Namdi Kanu, the person in question of this very march, our leader, went to march and protest in front of Abia State Governor House. Oti was inside. Nobody from his administration came out to address those people. And I don't know why our people forget so easily. And we are always carried out by emotion. Yes, he is doing a good work. Thanks to that. He is a good man in that aspect. That is what he has agreed with himself to do. But let me tell you, that good work Oti is doing is not only coming from Oti. There are people behind his administration from Abia State. When I say people, there are people behind that administration that make you to be seeing what Oti is doing because he is the one in the front. You remember? So any good work that comes from the team, he will be the one to take the glory. But let me tell you, my people, do not lose sight. What you are seeing in Abia State, old Abia State, is not really Oti doing it. It's because some people are behind it that want Abia State to go forward. Yes, you may tell me, he's the governor. If he doesn't want it, he can stop those people. There are people you cannot stop. There are people you respect. You may not like what they are doing because you have your own agenda. But because you know what they are doing is not wrong and you respect those people, you also will not stop those people. I know what I am saying for, like I can tell you details about them. That they cannot be in that administration and Oti will behave anyhow. And based on what I just told you and what our DPM tweeted that happened in Abia, the video is there. It's not like a make-up story. What Oti allowed today to happen is not Nigerian government. It's his own will for it to happen. Because the Biafra completion is bringing a stumbling block to his career. And do not forget, Oti's wife also is a chief judge of Nigeria. You know, all of them, they are marrying chief justice. I don't understand. Also, is a chief judge in Nigeria state. So, what we see today, nobody should say that Oti name is not included because thank God that our DPM, the mother of the nation, will continue to call them because they are serving Nigeria in Biafra nation. And United States of Biafra has told them to pack their load and go because the land belongs to the people. Many, many times. So what happened in Aba today, Oti is number one person to take the responsibility. Remember, there was one of my video, I told you how he stopped the DSS from taking boys that they came into Aba to arrest. They wanted to take them to Abuja. He was the one that stopped them. Okay, if he was the one that stopped them because people cried out and because people are now praising the good work that he is doing for them, like showing him love, he cannot afford to keep quiet for that to happen. This is my own analysis and he has to come out and stop that. But now, if he can stop that, why should people today in the same Aba go back with BLOOD on their faces and their bodies, live bullet shot on them? This is what you will ask yourself. Because even as he has good people around him, even as he has good Abians that want things to move in his own administration, which he himself brought them in, he can also give an excuse in this protest that, you know, the Nigerian state, they are the one that did it. I'm not part of it. I don't know. Yes, he can give those people that excuse. But I tell you, OT has no excuse in this matter. He is part of it. He knew it will happen. And he is not happy that Biafra is here. Do not forget, nobody wants to lose where they are eating. All politicians, even as OT is doing well in Abia State, OT is also benefiting from Abia people, which every politician in the whole world does. But all what we are crying is that when they eat, they should not forget that the resources belong to the state. At least give the state the basic amenities. And that is exactly what OT is doing by the help of these good people behind the scene that you are not seeing. So, my message to OT is that Biafrans cannot be deceived. You are still a Nigerian politician, and you must always play into Nigeria politics to save your own career. But do not forget, the people will always have the final say, and Biafra has come to stay. No matter how long you people anticipate is going to take, I'm telling you, Biafra is here. It is not going to take any more long. It is here and it has to be completed as quickly as possible. And Chukwu Okike Abiyama is doing just that. And when that happens, then we will have our peace. And you, the politicians, will know where you will go to enjoy those money that you stole from us, until when we will call on you to come and answer the people. Thank you, my people. Thank you, our DPM, the mother of the nation, for your tweets and for airing what is happening in and has happened in Abia, Aba, today, the 12th of March 2026. Please, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel, do share it, keep sharing it. We all have something to do. I bring the video, we brought the video, we give our own analysis. You also can bring your own comment, because it's through your comments we know if what we have just said is the right thing, or there are corrections to be made in our own analysis, because nobody knows it all. Thank you so much. Do not forget, this is U.S.B My Nation channel, where we talk about social, faith, and politics. You're highly welcome, and the old subscribers, thank you. The new ones, very much thank you. You are highly welcome. Together, we will make our world a better place.